सतगुर किरपा करन आप जी नाल थोड़े बचन साझे करिए। बहुत जन्म बिछरे थे माधो, यह जन्म तुम्हारे लेके। भगत रविदास सेस के अकाल पुरख जी तेरे तो बिछड़िया होया बहुत समा लंघ गया, बहुत समा लंघ गया। That it has been a long time since I've been separated from you. Bhagavad Ravidas says, now I have this human form. It is my chance to meet you again. The whole journey of life is to meet God. रब नूं मिलन दा बस मकसद है। When somebody dies, we say कि बंदा पूरा हो गया। And पूरा actually means पूरा होना ये हुंदा कि रब नूं मिलना। When somebody dies, we say he has become complete. पूरा हो गया बंदा। And पूरा होने का ये मतलब है कि रब नूं मिल पिया है। Let me surprise you. If one is not able to meet God in his lifetime, he will not meet God after he dies. You can only meet God while you are alive. If you do not meet God while you are alive, ਜਿਉਂਦੇ ਜੀ ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਰੱਬ ਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਮਿਲੀਏ, ਜੇ ਪੂਰੇ ਨਾ ਹੋਈਏ, ਮਰਨ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੂਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੇ। One can only become complete before he dies. After he dies, he does not become complete. He has to come back again to become complete. I have spoken about this before. पहले भी मैं एक गल कीती हुई कि सारा जिंदगी दा सफर, it is about becoming complete. And the only way to become complete is to meet God. And Gurbani says, भाई प्रापत मानुख देहोरिया गोबिंद मिलन की एह तेरी बरिया, that you have been given this body form, तेनू ये शरीर इस करके दिता है क्योंकि इस शरीर नाल ही तू रब पा सकता है। You can only meet God while you are in this body, human form. इस देही को सिमरे देव। देवी देवते भी लोचदे ने। Even the Devi Devtas are not with God yet. They have not met God yet. They are very elevated, but they have not met God yet. Guru says, इस देही को सिमरे देव सो देही पज हर की सेव। Even the Devi Devte, they are yearning for this body, human body, because it is only through the human body, human form. It is the law of God. You can only meet God through this human form. ਰੱਬ ਨੂੰ ਪਾਣਾ ਹੈ ਸਰੀਰ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਪਾਏਗਾ ਬੰਦਾ, ਕੁੱਤੇ ਦੇ ਸਰੀਰ ਦੇ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ, ਕੀੜੇ ਮਕੌੜੇ ਦੇ ਸਰੀਰ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ, ਮਨੁੱਖ ਦੇ ਸਰੀਰ ਰਾਹੀਂ। Let's go further. So the point that I was making just now is, ਜੇ ਜਿਉਂਦੇ ਜੀ ਬੰਦਾ ਰੱਬ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਨਾ, if you have not met God in this lifetime, you will not meet God after you die. You will have to come back again. You will only meet God after you become complete in a human form. And then when you die, and then you meet God, you are one with God again. भगत रविदास जी कहते ने, बहुत जन्म बिछरे थे माधो, यह जन्म तुम्हारे लेखे। He says, oh my dear God, my Madho, I have been separated for you for many births. I have come and gone again, come and gone. I have not met you. I had to come back again and come back again and come back again. He says, "Eh janam tumhare lekhe." I am going to use this chance, my human form, to meet you. This is what the Parkaran is about today, the human form. Sanu e Akal Purkh ne, Vaheguru ji ne ਇਹ ਮੌਕਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ। And you know what? Bhagat Ravidas ji says, He uses a word here, a very magical word which I want to discuss with you guys as well today. एक बहुत सोना अक्षर शब्द भगत रविदास जी उन्होंने यूज किया है. कह रविदास आस लग जीवो आस. Aas means, what does aas means? Desire. अंदरों मेरी तांग है, not a want. अंदर जिहड़ी आस हुंदी ना, तांग हुंदी है. Hope is a word that you can use for aas as well, but aas, desire is greater than hope. कह रविदास आस लग जीवो, it's my desire, my hope inside that I'm living now and I have a hope. What is the hope? चिर भयो दर्शन देखे, that I will sooner or later get a chance to see you. कह रविदास आस लग जीवो, चिर भयो दर्शन देखे. He says, I have not seen you for a very, very long time. I have not seen you for a very, very long time. चिर भयो दर्शन देखे, that मैं तेनू बहुत चिर हो गया तेनू मिले नू. But I have got this आस, हुण मैं आस ला के बैठा होया. I have got a hope, desire. Now to want something and to desire something is different. To desire is an inner yearning. You want something. Want is just another word. Desire, andron, emotionally you are just totally there. You desire, you just like when you feel hungry. A desire is a hunger. And the greater the desire, the greater the possibilities of meeting God, because it is the desire that is going to make you meet God. Because if there is no desire, there is no working towards it. And when you have the desire from inside, you will work harder towards it, harder towards it, harder towards it. जिन्ना चिर अंदर तांग नहीं पैदा होंदी ना, उन्ना चिर बंदा उठ के तुरदा नहीं रब वल. जिन्ना चिर बंदा अंदरों बिरागी नहीं बनदा ना, बिन बिराग ना छूट समाया. बिराग एक तांग दी अवस्था. बिराग is a state of longing. बिन बिराग ना छूट समाया. गुरु कहंदे ने, until and unless you have the strong desire, strong longing from inside, you will not walk towards God. Come, let's go further. So the point that I'm trying to make here is that we have got this human form. Bhagat Ravadas ji says that I've been separated you from for a very long time, and I've got a chance to meet you. And one can only meet God in his lifetime. If he does not meet God in his lifetime, he will not meet God after he dies. No. He will come back again in another form. If he's lucky enough, he will get a human form again. Otherwise, he'll come back again. He will go through that form again and again. Guru says, be careful. You have been given this human form. Is paudi te jo nar chukai, so aaye jaye dukh paeda. Is paudi. Guru says, Ajadi paudi. You know, like a ladder, when you climb the ladder, the last ladder, the last step on the ladder, it is the human form. And Guru says, Is paudi te jo nar chukai. If you don't put your foot right on the last step on the ladder, if you miss it, you will fall right down again, right down, all the way down, 84 lakh. And Guru says you will go through this cycle again. This body has a purpose. This body has been given to you to light the light of God within. कि रब ने सानू ये शरीर इस करके दिता है कि भाई तू अंदर ओ जोत जगा. गुरु साखी जोत प्रगट होए, ओ नाम दी जोत जगा. Let me give you a simple example. गुरबानी सानू बानी च कहंदी है, if I give you a diva, अंग्रेजी दीवा नू की कहंदे ने लैंप. So to light a lamp, what is it you need? you need the oil, you need the wick, and then you will have the light. Now when you burn the oil is burning, and you have a wick, and the light goes on. When the oil finishes, what happens? The light goes off. ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਜਬ ਲਗ ਤੇਲ ਦੀਵੇ ਮੁਖ ਬਾਤੀ, ਤਬ ਸੂਝੈ ਸਭ ਕੋਈ. Gurbani says, you have a lamp, you have oil, and you have the wick. And as long as there is oil, there will be light in the lamp. Once the oil finishes, the light will go off, and you will be left with just a lamp which is not lit. Gurbani says, tel jale bati tehrani sunna mandir hoi. When the oil burns away, what happens? The flame goes away, and then you are in complete darkness. Now let's use this example of a lamp and our life. You have a body which is a wick, a body which is a bolo bati. साडी जिहड़ी body है बाती है. तेल की है? श्वास. तेल की है? श्वास. As long as you're breathing, this body is like this breath is like tel to the wick. There is the light of life. If I may repeat, the light is the life, the wick is the body, and the tail is the swas. Now once the swas go away, finish, what happens to the light? Life, a person dies. Then the body is of no use. Guru says, only that lamp which is lit or lighted, diva jada hoye na, only the diva that has got light has a value. The diva that has got no light will have no value. So Guru says your body is like that. You will have to light the diva. You have come here to light the diva. A very nice short story which I have shared with you guys before as well. It is going back to how precious the body is. कि साडा जिहड़ा शरीर ना मनुखा देह जिहड़ी सतगुरु ने सानू दित्ती है, वाहिगुरु जी ने सानू दित्ती है, ਇਹਦੀ कीमत बहुत आ. ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ ਨਾਮ ਦਾ ਦੀਵਾ ਜਗਾਉਣਾ, ਨਾਮ ਮੀਨਸ ਉਹ ਹਰੀ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਗਾਉਣਾ ਹੈ. It was during Diwali, and the owner of the house told his servant कि भाई Diwali da sama hai, tu is tarah kar. You know they have this dive where you have made from clay. So he told the servant, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਆਖਿਆ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇਲ ਪਾ ਤੇ ਦੀਵੇ ਜਗਾ. ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਰਵੈਂਟ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ. So he was very excited, during Diwali everybody is very excited. They are lighting, dive and what not. Now it is a story that has been put together to tell us how important the body is. So he was lighting the dive. He was busy running in the kitchen, putting the tail in, coming out with dive, 5, 10, 15 dive. He was going in and out, in and out, in and out, doing that. Then what happened? Sunan Aligarh, listen to this carefully. He picked up one diva. He had put the tail in it. He had put the wick in it. And he was coming out from the kitchen and going towards the place where he had kept all the rest of the diva. As he was walking, the diva slipped. It fell and it broke. The diva slipped, it fell and it broke. And the Malak ne ਉਹਨੂੰ ਥੱਪੜ ਮਾਰਿਆ ਕਿ ਭਾਈ ਤੂੰ ਦੀਵਾ ਤੋੜਤਾ ਹੈ. Listen to this carefully. There's a very, very big lesson in this story. ਤੂੰ ਦੀਵਾ ਤੋੜਤਾ ਹੈ, ਥੱਪੜ ਮਾਰਿਆ. The owner slapped the servant and told him, you broke the diva. And the servant was very angry, but did not say anything. कुछ नहीं बोलिया. चला गया, सौ गया. And you know, normally in the morning when you get up, you will find all this dive that you have, all these crows and a lot of these animals and birds, and they come because there has been oil in there, right? So they come and look for some food or something to eat. So he got up in the morning, the servant got up in the morning, and he saw that all the dive that he had put outside, the crows were actually having a feast, and they had broken a lot of the dive. And the servant thought to himself, yesterday I broke one diva and my master slapped me. And today look at that, all the diva are broken. So he went to the master, he said, "Hey Malak ji, oh my master, yesterday you slapped me, I broke one diva and you slapped me, and look outside, all the diva are broken." Now the answer is very, very beautiful. Listen to this. The Malak says, "Oh Murak, oh Murak, oh foolish man, the diva that are being broken by the crows have been lit already. They have done their job. The diva that you broke yesterday had not been lit yet. It did not serve its purpose." The diva that were broken by the crows had served their purpose. They were already lit. The one that you broke did not serve its purpose. It was not lit yet. Now what is this story telling us? Our body is like the diva. And if we die without the diva being lit within us, it is just like the diva that is broken, that was broken by the servant, that was not lit. But let's say, ਆਪਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੋ ਜੋਤ ਜਗ ਪਵੇ ਤੇ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਇਹ ਭਾਂਡਾ ਟੁੱਟ ਜਾਵੇ. It had served its purpose. And what was the purpose? As I said before, to light naam within. Sadhguru ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਇਹ ਬੰਦੇ, you have come to light the diva of naam, the name of God within, the light of God within. Until and unless you have the light lit in this body, ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਰੀਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਚਿਰ ਉਹ ਦੀਵਾ ਜਗਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਾ, ਉਨਾ ਚਿਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੂਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਵਾਂਗੇ. We can only become complete. And if we die incomplete, we have not served the purpose. We will not meet God. Sadhguru ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ ਵਿੱਚ, ਅੰਧਕਾਰ ਮਿਟਿਓ ਤੇ ਤਨ ਤੇ, ਅੰਧਕਾਰ ਮਿਟਿਓ ਤੇ ਤਨ ਤੇ, ਗੁਰ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਦੀਪਕ ਪ੍ਰਗਾਸਾ. Guru says, ਅੰਧਕਾਰ, darkness, ਮਿਟਿਓ ਤੇ ਤਨ ਤੇ, ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਮਨ ਵਿੱਚ, ਇਹ ਸਰੀਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਅੰਧਕਾਰ ਹੈ. Darkness, total darkness, not darkness of the night darkness, but darkness of ignorance, darkness of being separated from God. Sadhguru ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਅੰਧੇਰਾ ਹੈ ਅੰਦਰ, and the only way you can dispel this darkness is through Gur Shabad Deepak Pragas. Guru da Shabad, Vaheguru Mantar, Gurbani, Naam, Simran. ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਤਿਗੁਰੂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਗੁਰੂ ਸ਼ਬਦ, ਗੁਰੂ ਦੀ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਨਾਲ, ਗੁਰਸਾਖੀ ਜੋਤ ਪ੍ਰਗਟ ਹੋਏ. ਅੰਦਰ ਜੋਤ ਪ੍ਰਗਟ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ? ਸ਼ਬਦ ਨਾਲ. ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਨਾ, ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਜੋਤ ਜਗਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ. And you know something? What happens after that? Listen to this. Guru says, you light with Guru Shabad, you light the jot. Sadhguru ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਸਬਦੇ ਹੀ ਨਾਮ ਉਪਜੈ. ਸ਼ਬਦ ਤੋਂ ਹੀ ਨਾਮ ਉਪਜਦਾ ਹੈ. The Naam here is the energy of God. Naam here, God. Naam here, the light of God. ਸਬਦੇ ਹੀ ਨਾਮ ਉਪਜੈ, ਸਬਦੇ ਮੇਲ ਮਿਲਾਇਆ. ਸ਼ਬਦ ਨਾਲ, ਸ਼ਬਦੋਂ ਹੀ, ਸ਼ਬਦ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਹੀ ਨਾਮ ਨੇ ਨਿਕਲਣਾ ਹੈ। ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਪਜੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਪਾਠ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਗੁਰੂ ਇਹ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਹੈ। ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਗੁਰੂ ਇੰਸਟਰਕਸ਼ਨਸ, ਗੁਰੂ ਸ਼ਬਦ। ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਰੋਜ਼ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ, ਗੁਰੂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਹੀ ਨਾਮ ਨੇ ਪ੍ਰਗਟ ਹੋਣਾ ਹੈ, ਰੱਬ ਨੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਹੀ ਨਿਕਲਣਾ। ਲਾਸਟ ਵੀਕ ਆਈ ਟਾਕਡ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਅ ਸੀਡ, the tree is hidden in the seed, and there's a process. When you plant the seed, one day the tree grows from that seed, but until and unless you don't plant it properly, don't water it, don't fertilize it, the tree will not grow, will not manifest. The seed is so small, the tree is hidden in the tree. Naam, the word Vaheguru is so small, looks small, but Akal Purkh is hidden in his Shabad. Guru says, Sabde hi now upajai, sabde mel milaya. And it is through the Shabad that you will get to meet God. Guru Sakhi Jot Paragat hoye. Guru di sikhya naal, the teachings of the Guru. Guru ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਰੱਬ ਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਕਰਿਆ ਕਰ, and with the teachings ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ? ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਖੀ ਜੋਤ ਪ੍ਰਗਟ ਹੋਏ। ਫਿਰ ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਉਹ ਅਕਾਲ ਪੁਰਖ ਦੀ ਜੋਤ ਜਗਦੀ ਹੈ। ਐਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਜੋਤ ਜਗਦੀ ਹੈ, ਫਿਰ ਜੋਤ ਤੇ ਸਾਡੀ ਜੋਤ ਤੇ ਅਕਾਲ ਪੁਰਖ ਦੀ ਜੋਤ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ? ਜੋਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੋਤ ਰਲਦੀ ਹੈ, ਇੱਕ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਫਿਰ ਬੰਦਾ ਪੂਰਾ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਬਹੁਤੇ ਜਨਮ ਬਿਛਰੇ ਥੇ ਮਾਧੋ, ਇਹ ਜਨਮ ਤੁਮਾਰੇ ਲੇਖੇ। ਬਹੁਤ ਜਨਮ ਬਿਛਰੇ ਥੇ ਮਾਧੋ, ਇਹ ਜਨਮ ਤੁਮਾਰੇ ਲੇਖੇ। ਕਹਿ ਰਵਿਦਾਸ ਆਸ ਲਗ ਜੀਵੋ, ਚਿਰ ਭਇਓ ਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਦੇਖੇ। ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀ let us also have the desire, let's say what ਭਗਤ ਰਵਿਦਾਸ ਜੀ says। ਭਗਤ ਰਵਿਦਾਸ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ? Oh God, oh my dear God, I have been away from you for a very, very long time. ਬਹੁਤ ਜਨਮ ਬਿਛਰੇ ਥੇ ਮਾਧੋ। You know, when you are separated from somebody you love, somebody has a girlfriend, he doesn't see his girlfriend for 2 days, he's crying, I haven't seen her for 2 days. During lockdown, people don't get to see their girlfriends and boyfriends and they feel very sad. Our life is a lockdown. Total lockdown. We have been separated from Akal Purkh Ji for so many. बहुत जन्म बिछरे थे माधो. Let's bring the realization कि सानू एहसास हो जावे that this is the chance, now or never. If I don't become complete now, what is going to happen? I'll have to come back again to become complete. If I come back again, I don't become complete, I have to come back again. If I don't become complete again, I'll come back again. And if you are lucky enough, you will get a human form. Otherwise, you will go right down. Then you'll have to start the janam again and again and again and again. ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਇਸ ਪੌੜੀ ਤੇ ਜੋ ਨਰ ਝੁਕੈ, if you miss this opportunity in this human form, then what happens? So aaye jaye, you will come and go, you will die, you'll be born, you will die, you will be born, you will die, you will be born. And Guru says it's not about just dying and being born, but Guru kehde te dukh paeda, you will go through a lot of pain and misery in this form. Aao Sadguru kirpa karan, it is an opportunity we have. We rather spend time doing all funny things, sit and watch videos, play games. 2 o'clock in the morning we will go to Facebook, TikTok. Somebody just told me TikTok. Yes, it is ticking. Time is ticking away. Anyway, benti hai, I think I don't have to say this again. Everybody knows that every day at 3 o'clock in the morning we get a chance. You don't know when it's going to happen. You know, Maskeen Saab said something very, very beautiful. He said it only takes one Vaheguru for you to meet God. He says you only need to say Vaheguru once to meet God. But he says to say that one Vaheguru in perfection, You will have to say it many times, again and again and again and again, until you get to the perfect state and you say Vaheguru once and it just happens. And we don't know for who it's going to be happening, when it's going to be happening. You may be just one Vaheguru away from it. You may be just one Vaheguru away from it. And you have got this chance. 3 o'clock in the morning, I hope to see all of you that are present now at 3 o'clock in the morning as well, because you don't know, is Paudite Jo Nar Chuke. You don't want to miss out.